That's Mommy, the pretty girl, yeah.
Get her to say it, of course, on the video.
I didn't do it for it. Have a dance party.
As long as I don't get Nancy out as the fat one.
Yeah. I think the camera might be shaking because I'm dancing. Whoa. Whoa! Aww. Oh, Jane, don't kick Lucy in the face. Jane, be careful. Can you guys say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Lucy. No. Okay.